Welcome to this easy-to-follow tutorial on using DocuSign. Whether you're new to digital signing or just need a refresher, this guide will help you navigate the essential features and functions of DocuSign like a pro. To get started, head over to the DocuSign website and sign up with your email address. Create a password and follow the activation steps in your email to complete the account setup. It's quick and easy. Before diving into creating and sending documents, it's important to understand the key terms in DocuSign. Think of this as the container for all your documents that need to be signed. The person who will sign or receive the document. These are the spaces where users add signatures, initials, or other required information. Once you're logged into your account, click on New, Send an Envelope. This is where you'll begin the process of uploading your documents for signature. Simply click on Upload to choose files from your computer or cloud storage, like Google Drive. Now, it's time to add the people who will be signing. Enter their names and email addresses and assign them roles, like signer or carbon copy recipient. If needed, you can set the signing order to ensure everything happens in the right sequence. DocuSign lets you personalize the experience for your recipients. Write a subject line and a message to accompany the documents. Plus, you can take advantage of advanced options like setting reminders or expiration dates to make sure your documents are signed on time. To make sure your recipients know where to sign, drag and drop fields directly onto the doc. Once everything is in place, click Send to send the envelope to your recipients. DocuSign will handle the rest, ensuring your documents are signed electronically. After sending, you can easily track the status of all your envelopes. Head over to the Manage tab to view sent envelopes. Check their status, whether they're sent, delivered, or completed, and make adjustments if needed. You can even resend or void envelopes. Once your documents are signed, you can extract data for record keeping or to use in further processing. It's a great way to keep everything organized. If you send similar documents frequently, DocuSign makes it easy to save time by creating reusable templates. Just visit the Templates tab to create and manage these templates for future use. DocuSign streamlines the process of sending and signing documents online. By following these simple steps, you'll be up and running in no time. For more tips and visual demonstrations, be sure to check out more tutorials on YouTube. Enjoy using DocuSign and happy signing!